Let's start by downloading Smart Guardian by GSD on the Apple App Store if using an iPhone, or Google Play Store if using an Android. Once downloaded, open the app, go to the top left, and tap on the 3 lines button. Then select Device List. Go to the top right of the app and tap on the plus button. Then select IPC/NVR/DVR and scan the QR code from the NVR. If you don't have the QR code, use Wi-Fi Connect and follow the instructions, or look in the description for a link to the tutorial on how to find your QR code on your NVR. Once the login page pops up, go to username and password and enter in the credentials that the technician provided. Now that the device has been added to your app, you should be returned to the device list section. From this point, go to the newly added device and tap the play button that is below the information section. This will enable Live View. If you would like to change your layout, depending on how many cameras you have on your system, tap the 4-box button near the bottom left of your screen and select the desired layout. Double tap a camera in order to view it in full, and double tap again to go back to the layout. If you would like to view the camera full screen, just rotate your phone sideways. If that doesn't work, make sure your rotate lock option on your device is not selected.